When it comes to enhancing the value of your home, there are a number of home improvement projects that can make a significant difference. One of the most impactful, yet often overlooked, upgrades is window installation. Whether you're planning to sell your home in Metairie or simply want to improve its functionality and aesthetics, new windows can transform your property. Here's how investing in window installation can increase your home's value in Metairie. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter. When potential buyers approach your home, the exterior is the first thing they see. Old, worn-out windows can make a house appear outdated and in need of repair, which can negatively impact its curb appeal. On the other hand, new windows can significantly enhance the look of your home, giving it a modern and fresh appearance. Whether you opt for traditional wooden frames, energy-efficient vinyl windows, or sleek fiberglass designs, new windows can elevate your home's overall aesthetics and make it stand out in the neighborhood. In Metairie, where homes vary from classic ranch-style houses to more modern builds, selecting the right window style for your property is essential. Not only does it complement your home's architecture, but it can also appeal to a wider range of buyers looking for something functional and stylish. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy efficiency is one of the most attractive features for homebuyers today. Metairie residents experience a humid, subtropical climate, which means that energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in the comfort of your home and your monthly utility bills. New windows with advanced features like double glazing, low E-glass coatings, and insulated frames can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the need for excessive air conditioning or heating. By improving the energy efficiency of your home, you not only lower your own utility costs but also create a selling point for prospective buyers. Many buyers are increasingly concerned with energy conservation, so demonstrating that your home has been upgraded with energy-efficient windows can make it more desirable and increase its market value. Improved security and safety. When it comes to selling a home, security and safety are paramount. Old windows, especially those with single panes or damaged frames, can be a weak point in your home's security. New windows, however, come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger frames, offering better protection against break-ins. Additionally, modern windows may feature shatter-resistant glass, which is a great safety feature for families with children or pets. In Metairie, where weather conditions like hurricanes can be a concern, installing windows designed to withstand high winds can further increase the value of your home. Hurricane impact windows not only provide peace of mind but also show that your home is better prepared for extreme weather, which is a key selling point in the area. Noise reduction and increased comfort. Living in Metairie means dealing with various noises, from traffic to neighborhood activities. Installing new windows with noise-reducing features can dramatically improve the comfort and tranquility of your home. Modern windows, particularly those with thicker glass and better insulation, can help minimize outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment indoors. Buyers will appreciate this added benefit, especially in busy or more populated areas of Metairie where noise can be a common issue. The more comfortable and peaceful your home feels, the more likely it is to attract buyers and command a higher price. Return on investment, ROI. Window installation is one of the most cost-effective home improvements when it comes to return on investment, ROI. According to industry studies, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their window installation costs through increased home value. In fact, a high-quality window upgrade can provide an ROI of up to 70–80%. This means that not only will you enjoy the benefits of improved comfort, lower energy bills, and enhanced aesthetics, but you'll also see a solid financial return when it's time to sell your home. Conclusion. Installing new windows in your home in Metairie is a smart investment that can pay off in multiple ways. From boosting curb appeal and enhancing energy efficiency to improving security and comfort, new windows provide both practical benefits and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to make your home more comfortable, upgrading your windows is a cost-effective way to increase your home's value and attract potential buyers.